Hello, everybody. In this episode we are going to observe and solve other 5 tasks in Python. Today in program, username validation, find intersection, longest word, bracket matcher, and the area of triangle. Before we start, please, give a like to this episode so more people can see it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episodes. Let's go. The first task is username validation. Have the function validate underscore username take the str parameter being passed and determine if the string is a valid username according to the following rules. The username is between 4 and 25 characters. It must start with a letter. It can only contain letters, numbers, and the underscore character. It cannot end with an underscore character. If the username is valid, then your program should return the string true, otherwise return the string false. Example 1. And example 2.
Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Childhood on old tapes from the past. I remember the young mood, but we grew up too fast. We were playing as soldiers, making swords out of pens. Oh, we used to be close. Things were better back then. There were no monsters. There were no moon. There were no monsters. Still I'm chasing balloons. Against dragons, and together we fought.
next challenge is find intersection. Have the function find_intersection read the array of strings stored in strr, which will contain two elements. The first element will represent a list of comma-separated numbers sorted in ascending order. The second element will represent a second list of comma-separated numbers, also sorted. Your goal is to return a comma-separated string containing the numbers that occur in elements of strr in sorted order. If there is no intersection, return the string false. Example 1. And example 2.
Make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, 'cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie.
We can't change that everything will always change, but we'll remember this as it is today in time. We both know you won't be mine. Oh, memories, defining our memories as the difference between you and me, writing our history and creating our memories, defining our memories as the difference between you and me, writing our history, creating our memories.
Let's look at longest word task. Have the function longest underscore word take the send parameter being passed and return the longest word in the string. If there are two or more words that are the same length, return the first word from the string with that length. Ignore punctuation and assume send will not be empty. Words may also contain numbers, for example hello world 123 567. Example 1. And example 2.
Defining our memories, the difference between you and me. Writing our history, creating our memories. Oh, memories. How you used to say the future's on its way, recalling memories, photos of you and me. How you used to say the future's on its way. Oh, memories. Oh, memories. You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes
Next challenge is bracket matcher. Have the function bracket underscore matcher take the str parameter being passed and return 1 if the brackets are correctly matched, and each one is accounted for. Otherwise return 0. Read for example clause.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
And And the last exercise is from mathematics, called the area of triangle or Heron's formula. Write function Heron which calculates the area of a triangle with sides A, B, and C. Heron's formula is: output should have 2 digits precision.
You'll always be my nice guy. Sitting here, see the sun as it slowly sets, and it makes me feel like none of this is real. I'm contemplating all the beautiful things that's in my life, right in front of me. I've been too blind to see. Won't you sit by these trees? Let yourself feel what you feel when you feel these things in life. It's okay.
Thank you for watching. Please, give a like for support this channel. Write comments. Share with friends. And subscribe to see new series. Be safe. Bye.